For those that don't already know me, my name is Jacob Ben-Gorel. I'm a co-founder of the Judges Asking app. I am a recovering family law attorney and a practicing criminal defense attorney. I wanted to take a minute to explain what's been going on behind the scenes with GIA. I know that it's been a while since we started this process, but I promise we are working diligently in the background to make sure that the app functions as seamlessly as possible. We recently overcame an issue that we were having with the Google Play Store. It went on for about a month. It was definitely a pain, but we got through it. But more importantly, we've been working on developing a portal for the courtroom clerks. We know that some courthouses won't allow the clerks to be on their mobile devices. So what we've done is create a desktop version of the app, and that version of the app will actually transition into the bigger picture that we have for the app and for GIA in general. We'd like to turn this into a much bigger platform with much more features than we're currently offering. The current version of the app is what we call an MVP, so a minimal viable product. We're just trying to address those issues that are urgent. That's finding attorneys at the courthouse, finding coverage, networking, and building that system for referrals. We've spent a significant amount of time testing at the courthouse. My assistant Ashton and I are at the courthouse a couple times a week. Our project managers are helping us at the app with multiple devices. We're showing up with different versions of Android, different versions of Apple, older devices, newer devices, just making sure that we can get them all to function correctly. One of the issues that we were having is Android and Apple use two different methods of determining altitude. And when we try to use those together, we're having issues. We expect to have that built in the coming days, and we're cautiously optimistic that we've resolved that problem. In the meantime, we'd greatly appreciate you guys supporting us on social media. We're trying to develop that network so when we are ready to go live, we will have the inventory of users to not only help you guys out in the courtroom, but also help get each courthouse mapped, because that is the next step. Once we have finalized the GPS issue, we can then begin mapping the courthouse and courthouses. Obviously that's going to be a big task, but it's one that we're excited to finally get the chance to undertake. So thank you again for your patience, and we will be in touch shortly with the next update.